This is my absolute favorite conditioner, hands down, that I've ever used. So I have really dry hair, and this has brought my hair back to life. Super simple to use. You just put it on, leave it on for about 3 minutes, and then wash it out. It's as easy as that. I do use the Olaplex 3-4-5 method, which is the Repair Bond Cream number 3. You rinse that out after 10 minutes, then you follow up with 4 shampoo, and then 5, which is the conditioner. It all smells so good. I love the smell. It's like that super clean salon smell. And this one really helps with bonding your hair, anti-frizz, keeping it just not dull, giving it that nice shine. Now, I only get my hair cut. This is a true story. I get my hair cut twice a year. I do like the littlest trim. So I should have major split ends by now. It's been a while. I'm totally due for a haircut. But I swear this has like helped my hair not have split ends anymore. It's crazy how well this works. So if you are looking for something to really bring your hair back to life, try Olaplex number 5. Try their whole system. You are going to love it. But definitely for the conditioner, you've got to get the conditioner.